For reinforcing 0 to 9 number, this activity is added with chains. We did with cards and counters. Cards and counters, again a reinforcing activity with chains, we are doing the same activity. 1. Here, instead of counters, we have small beads on chains. From a bigger object, we are giving smaller object. അപ്പോൾ അവരുടെ ഒന്നും കൂടെ ആ ഒബ്സർവേഷനും എന്താ പറയുക ചെറിയ ഒബ്ജക്ട്സിനോട്ടും കുറേയും കൂടെ കോൺസെൻട്രേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാനുള്ള ഫ്രം ബിഗ് തിങ് ടു സ്മോൾ തിങ് അങ്ങനെയാണ് യൂഷ്വലി വരുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ അതിനെ റീഇൻഫോഴ്സ് ചെയ്യാനാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇങ്ങനത്തെ ചെയിൻസ് കൊടുക്കുന്നത്. ദീസ് ആർ ചെയിൻസ് വിത്ത് numbers 1 to 9. Okay, see these have 9 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Same as cards and counters, we'll arrange from 1 to 9 using this. Okay, 1, and this is 1 bead. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Would you like to complete? 4, 1, 2, 3. Slowly. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8. 1, 9, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the first period using this material. We can use this material in couple of other ways as well. Okay. So we can ask to get an understanding from ascending and descending numbers. We can arrange these beads in ascending and descending orders. Children will be making a pyramid like this. 1, 1, and 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9. So in this way ascending and descending orders can be taught, and after this you can use the same material for assessment as well. Okay, you can keep these materials in an assorted way. The same material is used for matching activity, and ask them to match this. Can you do the matching? 1. Very good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And again, on the fourth day, you can do it like this. Same materials, different ways. So they will be getting more and more revision on that. Just keep the beads here and keep the numbers assorted here. They will be taking one bead, counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, where is 9? Go and match it. Okay, take any bead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Very good. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. So we have done with that. What is the next step? Back, keep it back. So take the board and keep it back. And while keeping it back, maximum try to keep it back in a pyramid way. Okay, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and roll back the mat. Okay, related.